Hello, I'm going to do a very quick video today on the problems I've had dealing with repairing SMD components on these circuit boards that we made for the new 2023 Drum Buddies. So the issue was caused by two things. A bad batch of solder. Let me turn this noise off. A bad batch of solder, 6040 rosin core made by the American Solder Company out of New Jersey. And I noticed after soldering this resistor on here, the reason I went into the SMD board is I wanted to mess with the feedback sensitivity. I wasn't liking it, so I wanted to speed it up. So I removed the SMD resistor and tacked this one on with the suspicious solder, and it made this weird greenish goop that emerged after the solder had set. You know, it took a day for it to sort of appear, but it was on the bottom of every board that I worked on with that batch of solder. The components were testing fine, so I thought, oh, that's weird and kind of gross, but I didn't think anything of it. Well, it has been incredibly humid in New Orleans this last week, and what this stuff is doing is it's acting kind of like wax or a sponge. I'm sorry for it being blurry, but it started actually condensing and shorting this resistor ever so slightly and killing the delay. And now look at this. See this gross wax stuff. It comes off and you can feel the moisture in it, and it's just absorbing all this humidity from our New Orleans air. And it's quite beautiful out. Let me show you what this is. Real swamp tech. Walking through the shop. So this is the kind of humidity that we deal with on a regular basis. And those SMD pads are so close together, which normally wouldn't be a problem. The pads that were soldered by the company in China that I didn't touch with my solder or iron are fine. But this repair went bad. So if you ever see something that you're working on, if you ever see this green gook appear from your solder and it doesn't look quite right, it'll cause problems. And I'd never seen anything on the internet about this before, so I thought I would share my horrible, frustrating experience with this. You see that shit? See that? It's kind of beige. Yuck. All right. Have a happy Christmas and New Year and whatever else you're celebrating. And Drum Buddies are back, baby. I'll announce soon. Here, we'll take a little walk around the shop. I'm making 4 to go to some people in New York. There's pink ones, cream, cabinets by Marvin Hirsch. They're beautiful. Tops, screen printed by Inkwell Press, Meek. All handmade here at the Spellcaster Lodge. Good night.